Introducing Rosahl, the world's smallest maintenance-free solid-state dehumidifiers, for enclosures from 500 milliliters up to 4 cubic meters. Rosahl works using electrolysis to remove moisture at a molecular level. Applying 3-volt DC to the terminals attracts moisture to the membrane's anode. Once there, it dissociates into hydrogen ions and oxygen. The hydrogen ions migrate through the membrane to be discharged outside the enclosure, where they react with oxygen in the air to form water vapor. Using electrolysis means the process is waterless and needs no drainage, cleaning or maintenance. Solid state ensures there is no noise or vibration, and a long operating life. Low power usage and low voltage mean low running costs and ease of installation. The membranes mount over suitable cutouts in the side of the enclosure, through which it vents the unwanted gases. They are suitable for indoor and outdoor applications, making them ideal for remote and hard-to-access installations and equipment. Rosahl ionic membranes suit most enclosure drying applications, for example, laser and electro-optic processing systems, material storage and display cabinets, capital equipment, control panels, and CCTV and remote monitoring stations. Reducing humidity levels in equipment reduces warranty failure costs and enhances your reputation. End users also enjoy consistent and reliable performance from their equipment. With tens of thousands of units sold annually around the world, Rosahl offers many advantages over conventional drying solutions. Rosahl, the world's smallest maintenance-free solid-state dehumidifiers.